Hey everyone, so Cross here. So today I'm doing things a little different and not doing a slime package opening review. I'm going to show you guys some slimes that I have made, which I haven't done this on this channel at all. I don't believe. I always post the videos on Instagram, but we're gonna do this. So we're gonna start out with chewed up watermelon gum. Sorry, I'm moving a few things. And this one I loaded with everything I had, pretty much. Just so you can get that texture and crunch. It's so pretty. And it's filled with pink and green glitter. Of course, pink and green flown beads. There's some white flown beads as well. And then packing peanuts galore. Just so you get the pop. That's what I wanted out of this one because I don't have one that really pops. This is one of my favorite slimes that I do. It's so nice. I think the pops sound just like bubblegum. It's really great. Okay, now on to the next one. Kind of lost a beat there. My next one is my salted fries. And I guess I'm giving you guys kind of primary colors, which I didn't mean to, but this is salted fries. It was a clear base mixed with a white base. And then at the bottom is some salt, which is fake, of course. It's one of my other favorites as well. I have other slimes. I just picked a couple just to show you guys right now. This one needs it's really warm out, and this is not helping slime. Heat is not helping the slime at all, and I haven't been home for weeks, so that does not help it either. Okay, I have one final slime right here with me to show you guys, and this is Message in a Bottle, and it comes with this little bottle charm, and it has a little hidden message in it. And this is pretty much like a butter slime. It's a really pretty blue. Nice and stretchy, really smooth, very, very smooth. Probably the smoothest one I've ever had. Okay, that is Message in a Bottle. So thank you guys for watching, and I will for sure be getting out some more videos to you guys. Have a crackalicious day.